program A starts with 10 push-ups and increases by 3 daily. Program B starts with 30 push-ups and increases by 1 push-up daily. On which day will both programs require the same number of push-ups? So let's identify the nth term of each of these. So for program A, the nth term this is the number of push-ups on the nth day. A sub 1 is 10 plus n minus 1 times the common difference is 3. For program B, the nth term is 30, that's A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times 1, which is the common difference. So we need to have these two equal, these two values, because we want to have same A sub n. So let us just equate those expressions. So 10 plus n minus 1 times 3 should be equal to 30 plus n minus 1 times 1. Let's distribute. So that's 10 plus n times 3, that's 3n. Negative 1 times 3, that's negative 3. Copy 30, it's just 1, so n minus 1. Let's simplify both the left and the right side of the equation. We will have here 3n. 10 minus 3 is 7. And then n plus 29. Let's subtract n from both sides, and 7. Minus n, minus n, minus 7, minus 7. And we will have 2n equals 22. Divide both sides by 2, we get n equals 11. So they will have the same number of push-ups on the 11th day. But how many push-ups? Let's check for for program A. That will be 10 plus 11, n is 11 times 3. That is 10 plus this is 10 times 3, so that is 10 plus 30, which is 40. Let us check if it's the same with program B. So for program B, that is 30 plus n. N is 11 minus 1 times 1. So 30 plus 10, which is also 40. So on the 11th day, both of them will have 40 push-ups. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!